Okay, before diving right in to show you how to reverse a duplicate payment, I always tell everybody before you assume, if I think that this client has only paid us $10,000 as a retainer, why does it show 20, right? Sometimes there could have been other payments that came in after the fact, I don't know, but usually I always say confirm there's a problem before correcting it, okay? Because a lot of times things can be avoided by confirming. So in here, I chose to go into the general ledger, select the client, filter for cash receipts, and you can see that there were two payments. This is why it's so important to use the check number, and you can see that there is actually two payments that are posted. So before I assume that this is an error, I double check. Hey, has the bank rec for January been done and this cleared? Okay, if so, then I kind of confirm. So if this was an error, and we're going to assume that it is in this case, sometimes it's not. They can easily make a payment for the same amount at different times. So I double check. Okay. If once you've done that, and we're going to assume that this is a duplicate, okay, we're going to go into money in. And the same way you received it is the same way that you reverse it. You cannot delete that entry that you did. So I'm going to say that the 513 is the one that was incorrect. Okay, it's a duplicate. So I would say, reverse duplicate. Okay. And in this case, I'm going to do 10,000 in the reverse. Okay. So once again, I'm going to post it in the checking account, and I'm going to just say reverse duplicate payment posted for client retainer. Okay. So that is how you are going to reverse the duplicate posting. You're just going in the same way that you received it, and you're going to reverse it. It's going to drop that down, and it now makes it there. So if we wanted to filter, you can now see that we have only, yes, we received 20,000, but one was a duplicate that was reversed. So it now stands that they have a $10,000 retainer on file.